Last time we discussed Python lists, okay? And
Yes.
how we can create list, we need to give it a name. So it will be a variable. It will become a variable. And then using this bracket, this is starting bracket
Okay.
and this is closing bracket, okay? And then using
Okay.
the inverted commas and commas, we can actually write any number of items inside this list, okay? So these are three items and we separated all these three items with commas. And remember the bracket is
Okay.
this one, okay, right? So remember this one. So if you see this bracket, it means that this is a list. Okay, whatever you give
Okay.
this a name, this bracket shows actually that this is a list. Okay, we actually discussed this list, that how we can create this list and then we can print this list. So this is the name of the variable and we can print this list. Let's try once again. So here you can see that this is the name of the list. So suppose if I change the name of the list, maybe fruits, and then we need to change here also. We want to print the fruits. Okay, so what are the fruits? Fruits is actually a list and there are three items.
Or apple, banana, and cherry.
Yeah, okay. So this one. And then we actually learned and that the first item starts with 0, right? For
Uh-huh.
example, this one
Okay.
is 0, this one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So counting
Okay.
goes to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we want to count it in reverse order, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay.
There is
Well,
no minus zero.
well, we can duplicate the values as well. For example, here is apple and then again it's apple. So these two are the duplicate values. Um, we can check the length of the list. We have actually discussed all these things in our previous lecture. I am just revising this once again, okay?
Okay.
We can use the length function so it can tell us what is the length of this list. So what is the length of this list? These are three items,
Three.
okay?
Yes.
So just use the length keyword, length function, okay? So what are the data types, okay? So again, any string or integer or Boolean data types can be part of the list variables.
Okay.
And a list with strings, integers, and Boolean values, this is also possible that a link can contain integers or strings, maybe like these things. And then, uh, the list is also a data type. Okay. So if we
I
want to
know.
know that what is the data type of this list, so is it string?
It's not string.
Yeah, its data type is also list.
List.
So string are the items. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then this was just a quick review, and we need to discuss some more things about the list, access list items. Yes, we had also actually discussed this, that I mean access items, if we want to access, if we want to view the item, so we need to give item name. So it means I want to print from this list the item number one. So which is the item number one?
Item number one, it is banana
Yes, it is banana. Why this is not a, item number one?
because it starts with zero, so that
Yes,
item
this
is
is item
zero.
number zero, this is item number one, and this is item number two. And if I talk in the reverse order, then this is item number
One,
minus one.
negative one.
Yeah, negative one. And this is negative two, and this is negative three. So, okay, what, which item we want to actually want to print, we need to give its number. So, what if I write here minus one or negative one? So, the item will
If you
be,
want to say cherry, we
and
could
what if,
also just type
yeah, and what if I write two here?
it will remain the same.
It will be cherry. Okay, yes.
Yes,
Good.
it'll be the same.
Okay, so we have discussed the negative indexing. Okay, we know actually what is the negative indexing. Okay, we can give it a range also. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I want to print from 2 to 5. So what is 2? This is 2, 3, 4. And you know the 5 will not be included. So the result will be cherry,
Yes,
orange, and kiwi.
yes, all these.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now actually moving to the next topic. So this was actually the actually review. Change list items. So we can actually change the value of specific item. For example, if we want to change banana with something else, right? So
Yes,
so this is not the correct way that we delete the banana and then we rewrite. But once this list has been made, then we will do it writing an other code. Okay. So we will tell it that which item we want to actually change. So we are going to change the item number one. And instead of the
yes,
banana, we are going to write black currant. Okay. And then we
yes.
are going to print this. So see here
And then it's
that
gonna change.
apple, banana, and cherry. This is the original one, but we have asked it to change the
Update.
item number one with black currant. And what if
Yes, it's
I want
update.
to change two with black currant? So what will be the result?
Result will be apple, banana, and black currant.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We can also change a range of items. Okay. So previously we changed only one item, like we changed only one item, but we can change
Yes.
the range of items. For example, 1, 2, 3. So what are 1, 2, 3?
It'll gonna reveal cherry
Banana,
and
cherry,
orange.
and orange.
No,
Okay,
ends to cherry.
okay. Are you sure it's only banana and cherry?
Yes,
Okay, because the last one is not included. Okay.
yes.
Okay, here also it is confirmed that there are only two items. So
Yes.
banana and cherry will be replaced. Yeah, banana and cherry have been replaced. Okay.
Okay, but they forgot to go to the next line.
And why they will go to the next line?
So it can fit all the words.
No, here you can see that it fits all the word. Okay.
Oh,
It will write in a single line
okay.
until we tile it. Okay. Okay, then we can insert more items than you replace. So this is interesting. So if we want to change the 1 and 2, and it means that it will only change the banana, okay?
Okay.
But we are telling, what if we telling that, okay, replace these two items with this one, mean remove banana and put these two items. So is this possible?
No.
Yes, it is possible. So this is interesting, okay?
Oh, you can add it in even though there's only one.
Yeah. Instead of the single item, we can add the two items, okay?
Okay.
And this is also possible that even instead of these two items, we want to remove these two items and we can add only one item. This is also possible.
It's like the opposite.
Yes, it is the opposite. So here is the actually example. We can remove these two items and we can put only a single item. Okay. So we actually want to change the second and third value by replacing it with one value.
Okay.
Okay, we can insert items. I mean, um, insert more items. Okay, instead of the
Okay.
replacing, we can insert more items. So here are the three list items, and we actually want it to insert at number 2 the watermelon also. So tell me who is going to tell me the result. I have asked it at number 2. So insert at number 2 the watermelon.
It's going to add the watermelon, not replace it.
No, it will not replace it, it will add. So what will be the result?
Apple, banana, watermelon.
Cherry. Okay. Apple, banana, watermelon, cherry. Okay. So you are right. So this is
Oh, it's
because,
going to go between.
yeah, this is because we have asked it to insert at number 2 watermelon. Okay.
It's going
So
to
this
make
is,
the watermelon as number two.
yeah, so this is interesting. Okay. Okay. So who is going to answer this?
I know.
Okay. How do you know?
So the result will be banana.
So your answer is banana?
Yes.
Okay. This is not the right answer.
It's kiwi.
Kiwi.
Uh, okay, start actually compile this in your mind that there is a list and the zero component is apple. Okay,
Yes.
zero index is apple, one index is banana, two index is cherry. So
Yes.
now we have asked to that add zero, add kiwi. So kiwi
So
will
it's
be
going to be
added before
kiwi,
apple.
banana, cherry.
So kiwi, apple, banana, cherry. So apple
Yes.
will become one. Okay.
Yes. That's what
So
I said.
oh, you said cherry, I think. You said apple. then then it's wrong. Okay, let's try again.
Is
So
it kiwi?
now what is the right answer?
I
Kiwi.
think so. It is kiwi.
You think it's kiwi?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's try. Oh, it's again wrong answer. So try it again.
Is it the apple?
We have tried apple before.
We did. Then why is it only cherry? I said cherry.
So it was banana. So why it was banana? Open this page again.
Because it was number one.
Yeah,
But I
because
said
it
that
was number
before. I
one.
mistaken it as a cherry.
Okay, don't worry. Let's move to next topic. So we have learned how we can change the list items and how we can add the list items, and then it
Yes.
becomes stuck. Now it's stuck. It's not
I
going
know how to
forward.
fix the problem.
How you can fix the problem?
Go to the tab and right click it.
Okay.
Now click reload again.
Oh, I have done the same by clicking this reload button. Okay.
There, and now it's done. It stopped.
Yeah.
See?
Okay, now it's okay. So now we will learn how we can remove list items. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we can remove list items by uh, using the word dot remove. Okay. So this is method actually, the remove method. So here is the list, and we want to remove banana only.
So I know
And
how
what
to
if
add something.
there are multiple items with banana name?
I can
So
just put it
first
all
try
in.
this one. So you know this was a list, and we
Yes.
have removed banana, and you see there is no banana. When we print this list, there is no banana.
And I know
Uh,
how to do multiple.
yes, but what if actually there are multiple bananas, one and two? So it will remove the first
The
occurrence of
first
banana.
one.
Okay, so it will remove
Yes.
this one only.
And if you want to remove both of them, just type in banana twice.
Yeah. Okay, the other way is you can actually uh, give it the index name. Okay, so you will write POP and then one, so it will remove that.
Okay, but I have a question.
Yes.
Why does it only remove banana and nothing else?
In this example, we have just removed the banana and nothing else.
Yes, in others, this W, the W3 schools, it's only picking banana.
Yes, because we are actually telling it that go to index number one. So this is number one. Okay.
Okay, but why banana?
Okay. You can put it another. Suppose if you write two, then what will happen?
Apple and is going to make apple and banana.
It has removed cherry. Okay,
Okay,
because it is at number two. So it's your choice. Whatever you select, you can go with that option.
okay.
Okay, so this method is using with POP. It can remove and then uh, if you write POP without telling anything, without telling the index, it will remove the last one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can also use the keyword delete, del, and then tell the index number, and it will also delete. Okay.
They're both the same thing.
Yeah, and if you want to delete all this list, all these items, all these three items, so you can use delete and then the name of the list. And this is interesting. The list will be there, but it will be empty. Okay, like okay, it is saying us that this will cause an error because you have successfully delete this list. Okay, we have actually deleted this list. But
So there's empty, so you need to
we
get
have
rid of
actually
that and it's
deleted
not
this list.
important.
We have actually deleted this list. Okay. Uh, but
So it
but
so
but
it
there is
isn't very good.
but there is another thing. We can clear the list. So list will be there, but there will be no item in that. Okay, so this is clear. So we can use this one clear. So this will not
But it'll
show
still
an
make an
error.
error.
It is showing an no, the list is there, but there is no item inside that list. Okay.
So it helps it to not make an error.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, try to solve this exercise.
Uh, there are two options. Delete and pop. No, I think so it's delete.
No.
Third,
Okay, let me select the delete one and submit the answer. Okay, is it red? Yes, it is red. Why?
Because it is pop.
Because that word is only DEL, Dell.
Oh, so that's why
So what's the next choice?
is pop.
Yes, it's Paul. That's the right
That
answer.
one will work.
Okay. So I hope this was interesting today. And now let me tell you that there are some components that we need to still discuss for lists. But the interesting thing is lists and the tuples and the sets are almost the same thing. Okay. So
Okay.
if you have knowledge of one thing, either list or tuple or set, it means you know all of these. So tomorrow we will continue uh, our class with the next topics. Okay. Okay then.